A major milestone in the battle to eliminate polio globally has been reached, the U.S. Centers for Disease Control, CDC, has said. Its experts think a second of the 3 forms of poliovirus has been eliminated after mass vaccination campaigns. Wild poliovirus type 3 has not been detected for more than 2 years. Type 2 was eradicated in 1999. Experts said the world was closer than ever to defeating polio, but the situation in Pakistan was worrying. Polio is highly infectious and causes paralysis in up to 1 in 200 people. Some children die when the muscles that help them breathe stop working. But there has been huge progress in eliminating the disease. Cases have fallen from 350,000 in 1988 to 416 in 2013. The last case of type 3 poliovirus was detected in Pakistan in November 2012, according to the CDC report. Endemic. We may have eradicated a second of 3, that's a major milestone, said Dr. Stephen Cochi, a senior advisor at the CDC's Center for Global Health. However, a formal process, involving the Polio Global Certification Commission, is required before type 3 can be officially declared eradicated. That will not take place for at least another year. Type 1 remains endemic in 3 countries, Pakistan, Afghanistan and Nigeria. Dr. Cochi told the BBC, it's the most prickly one. For reasons that are unclear, this is the most common cause of polio outbreaks and the most frequent cause of paralytic polio. There has been progress in Nigeria, where cases have fallen to 6 so far this year from 53 in 2013. But our biggest problem is getting worse in Pakistan, said Dr. Cochi. Cases have leaped from 59 last year to 236 and counting in 2014. Mass exodus. The Pakistani Taliban stopped polio vaccination programs in some tribal areas of the country for about 2 years. Since the summer there has been a mass exodus of people from the region after military operations by Pakistan's army. Dr. Cochi added, the good news is now those children are accessible in refugee camps or other parts of the country, so they are getting vaccinated. But the bad news is the poliovirus has spread all over the country and there have been cases from Karachi and Punjab province. It means there is a serious risk of polio spreading to other countries. The virus traveled from Pakistan to Syria in 2013. Professor Walt Einstein, from the Vaccine Center at Emory University in the US, told the BBC, type 3 appears to be gone. I think it is overwhelmingly likely that we are there, but it's too soon to say we're definitely there. So it's not a total victory, but it is very promising. But he warned, Pakistan is a major concern. About 85% of wild type 1 poliovirus this year has been in Pakistan, but in Nigeria there is real hope we can get rid of type 1 even by the end of this year.